If you're a gadget freak, you're in the right place. The gadgets in this list have gotten some publicity in recent times. They're getting more popular daily, and consumers are purchasing them on the low. So don't be a slacker. Get on the bandwagon and pick any of these 12 gadgets to add to your collection. So here goes. Number 1. Sveeve Slide for Flat Base Bed. This is essentially a bedside stand without legs. It's an ingenious idea for cramped spaces. And no, it's not from Sweden, which is known for innovative furniture. Instead, it's a product of neighboring Norway. One of its hallmarks is portability, yet it can hold up to 9 pounds of stuff on its surface. From a laptop to a full cup of beverage and everything in between. Did we mention that it has no legs? So it's designed to be attached to the bedside with its main lever tucked underneath the mattress. It also comes with charging ports for your smart device, with wireless and USB charging options. This nightstand measures just 14 by 12 inches and weighs only 4 pounds, and on Amazon it will set you back $130 to purchase. Number 2. Leguano. Are Germans not known for their efficiency or what? And this product is manufactured there. We trust the Germans will strip things down to the barest minimum. More specifically, we're talking about sneakers here, or rather, sneakers that have been stripped down to the essentials. So, these Leguano sneakers look like socks in some promo images. However, the manufacturers have promised they are more durable than they look, and stuff like shards of glass on the ground can hardly penetrate the soles. The soles themselves have a patented design and were made to be extremely tough. The sneakers are breathable and light. They can also be machine washed and squeezed dry as if they were a pair of socks. They can be worn both indoors and outdoors, and about the latter, you stand no risk of frozen feet, because the materials used will keep the feet warm. That said, the price on Amazon starts at $80. Number 3. Airtrick e-skates. Staying on gadgets for the feet, we have these battery-powered skates. We guess the craze of electric cars and even electric bikes inspired the idea. At least, they're a more portable way of getting around. The skates hit top speeds of 28 km per hour or 17 miles per hour, and have a range of 15 kilometers, 9.3 miles when fully charged. Plus, they are way more useful than hoverboards. Remember those? They were only good for dancing. The design has pads and easy-to-use straps, so you're ready to go quickly. Also, the wheels are abrasion resistant. The skates come with dual 150-watt motors, complete with brakes, which means there's enough power to get you across town. A remote control is also included to start and stop at your convenience. The remote also indicates the battery life and speed, so if you're interested, you can get one for $379 on Amazon. Number 4. Exo 360 Drone. This is different from your regular drone by the mere looks of it. Plus, it comes with a VR headset to have 360-degree views of your surroundings. Hence the name. A company called Queen Bee Robotics is the manufacturer, and they've managed to cram industrial-level specs on a consumer drone. And the first thing you notice is the durable build. It can also withstand winds up to 15 miles per hour and has a flight time of 18 minutes on a full charge. There are 2 versions. The Pro version comes with 4K recording, while the standard version is much more regular. However, either version will cost you $1,000, which is quite affordable compared to other drones out there. So, fingers crossed. Number 5. CJS Geio. Why haven't the guys at LEGO thought about this already? And if you've seen the BattleBot show on Discovery Channel, you'd get the idea behind this. So, the Geio are robots that stand as high as your ankle length. They've been programmed with visual intelligence, so by using your smartphone you can see what they see. With this in the kitty, you can battle other Geio robots in one-on-one combat. These battles can also be upscaled to as many as 24 robots battling it out at once. Also, the internal battery can last an entire hour of combat, and the robots are linked to your smartphone controls via Wi-Fi. Moreover, you're free to battle anywhere, although one single robot will cost you $295. Number 6. Macally MCUPTRAY. Car accessories are a booming industry, and there's virtually no end to the gadgets that make your driving experience much more enjoyable. But, of course, for some people, their cars are their babies. So anything that serves to adorn the car is alright with them. But the tray in this sales pitch is more practical than ornamental. It was essentially made as a convenient place to put your drive-in snacks to avoid ruining the car upholstery. The tray also has a spot for your phone, so you can browse it hands-free as you eat. It's simply a mini table that can be installed via your cup holder. It can be rotated or adjusted to the angle of your choice, and its price is $30. Number 7. Jogoswall. Some jurisdictions require a fire extinguisher in your car at all times. The police even check for it at random stops, so this gadget could come in handy in that way. Moreover, it's not your typical extinguishing canister. Instead, it's small in comparison, and equally gets the job done every time. Once Jogoswall is strategically placed, it's automatically triggered when it senses a temperature rise due to a fire outbreak. Then, it sprays the vicinity of the fire with a special gas, and the tests show that it's pretty effective despite its small footprint. So no one has to frantically search out the big and clumsy canister. This gadget costs $40 and has a shelf life of 10 years. Number 8. UFO MPG Levitating Speaker. As the name suggests, this is a speaker in the form of a levitating UFO. It's a tribute to the American culture of UFO sightings that date back to the so-called Roswell incident in 1947. From the promo visuals, we cannot tell how it works. The manufacturers certainly want to safeguard their trade secrets, but we can see that the saucer levitates like an alien ship. The speaker comes with a 1200 mAh battery that should last for at least 8 hours, and it would cost anyone who's interested $100 to buy. Number 9. Dark Heat Tactical Jacket. This jacket feels like a portable version of Batman's suit, and it has so many hidden compartments and pockets to store your stuff while on the go. It can even contain something as wide as a laptop. The laptop pocket is found in the back of the jacket, so wherever you're going, whether it be a hiking trip or to the office, you can gear up and not feel out of place or inadequate. Because with the jacket, you're always prepared. The images show it's a lean jacket, so where does all your personal stuff go inside such a lightweight attire? If you want to know, the jacket costs $179 to purchase. Number 10. IPEVO Uplift. This gadget is way better than a selfie stick. It's probably more suited for freelancers who work from home. It's essentially a rig for holding your smartphone while you record. It's made with adjustable and multi-jointed arms, and a solid metal base to achieve the best possible angles for your video shoot. Whether you're capturing a vlog presentation or want to be more creative in your angles, this gadget would come in handy at $59 per pop. Number 11. ErgoStone. The ErgoStone is a neck pillow, amongst other things. It can relieve pain, relax muscles, and reduce stress and anxiety. This is because it's made from finely ground soapstone, of which it is stuffed. The pillow can also be bent into shape to fit any part of the body. It can be cooled or heated too, and then placed on the affected regions. Also, it can be easily cleaned or disinfected. You can think of it as an upgraded ice pack. And it'll cost potential buyers $83, so you health buffs ought to look out for this. Number 12. MagEZ Slider. Here's one readily usable gadget. It's a compact wireless charging station that can charge 4 smart devices simultaneously. It's also a power bank so that you can juice up on the go. And if you need to check the charging status of any of your gadgets, it comes with a 360-degree swiveling ability. So you can easily twirl the MagEZ Slider around as you like. Also, it's MagSafe and will cost you $129. Hope you enjoyed window shopping these gadgets as much as we enjoyed compiling them. The Amazon links to the products on our list can be found below in the video description area. And please, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like our content. Also, hit that notification bell for more videos from us. Thanks for watching, and bye.